Good day guys, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, we're gonna be doing an unboxing. I got another mystery package from the rag company. This was their Santa's mystery sack. So I went ahead and picked that up. I also bought a curveball brush. I'm just mentioning that now because I do have the box, I'll show you. But I bought a curveball brush to up my order to $100 because then you got the stocking stuffer package for free. In the stocking stuffer package, you get 5 Eagle Edgeless, you get a Detail Factory tire brush, you also get a couple dark green car wash towels and some black glass towels, and either a air freshener or a pearl puck applicator. So I'm just mentioning that because the stocking stuffer and the curveball is something that I bought. All the rest is part of the Mystery Santa sack. So I'm curious to see what I got. I'm gonna bring you guys along for an unboxing. We're also gonna see the dollar value of what we got out of the Mystery Santa sack to see what I spent compared to what I got in products. So right here we have the package from the rag company. So for 75 bucks was the Santa's mystery rag sack, and they guarantee $135+ worth of product in that. So we will add that up. We will be taking out the curveball brush and the stocking stuffer because, as I mentioned, those products, I bought the curveball brush to get to that $100 mark, to get the stocking stuffer for free, because you had to spend $100 or more to get the stocking stuffer for free. So I just want to clarify that before we open up this box to see what's all in there. But let's go ahead, open this thing up and see what kind of products did I get in the Santa mystery sack from the rag company. So as I like to do a raw unboxing so we can see together what was in this package, dollar amount, products, etc., and also my reaction to what's in here and how excited I am for it. Getting detailing products, mystery boxes, all that is great. With mystery boxes, one thing you always need to remember is you're not buying products that you want, you're buying a mystery box. So it might be products that you already have, might be something that you don't have, might be stuff that you're interested in or not interested in, so you're taking a gamble, but that is the fun in the mystery packages. And I am a sucker for them, as you guys know, but I always like to show rag company always coming in really nice with their packaging. So right here we can see in the box, I'm going to say this is the stocking stuffer pack. We're going to get into it, and I'm going to say this is the curveball brush, but I can see a lot of chemicals as well. So let's see what we got here. First, we're going to go ahead and show there is the Detail Factory curveball brush. This is something I've been wanting to get. I have not opened it up, so let's go ahead and open it up. If you're not familiar with this, this is a very soft bristle brush, great for cleaning interiors, a very large brush for covering a lot of surface area, and it also has an included little stand. So right away, first off for me, this brush is way bigger than I was expecting or imagining because you can see how big this handle is, but it fits really nice in the palm of your hand. Super, super soft bristles for cleaning interior surfaces. You're not gonna hurt anything. You don't have to do just interior surfaces. You can use this brush for whatever you want to use it for, but I did pick the red color, and I also love this little stand. I guess the little stand for me, the reason why I like it so much is that kind of represents an old school shaving brush stand, and old school shaving is something else that I'm into that probably none of you even know, but I do like the feel and the way that that looks. The next package, this is going to be the stocking stuffer. So there is the Pearl Puck applicator. We'll open this up. It did not come with the air freshener because they said it's going to come with one or the other. So first off in here we have Detail Factory tire scrub brush. Once again, we'll open this up too in case you haven't seen this. These are very nice tire brushes from Detail Factory and super awesome. I picked the red curveball and this is in red too. So a nice stiff bristle, but not too stiff. So for cleaning tires, it's going to be really nice. Feels really great in the hand as well. Next in the package, in the stocking stuffer, we have, these are their car wash towels. These are a nice big towel. They're a multi-purpose towel. I love using these for all kinds of random things. We have 2 of them in a dark green. I like that dark green. That's pretty slick looking. Next in here, we have the 5 Eagle Edgeless towels in their awesome packaging. Love this packaging, but there is 5 of them in there. So another great deal. And all this stuff, with the exception of this curveball, was free because I spent $100 or more. And then in here we have the black diamond glass towels, and there's a 5-pack of them as well. So Absolutely love their diamond weave glass towels. And then we have the Pearl Puck applicator, one of my favorite, if not my favorite applicators. So got all that right there for free, which is super awesome. So now we are down into, as you can see in this box, this is a Santa mystery sack and lots of stuff packed in here. So let's hop in and see what we got in here. Right here, I can tell already, we're gonna open these up too. So I'm seeing some Stiarnaglass products, saw some Coach Kimmy products. So super exciting. Right there we have Glass by Stiarnaglass. Don't have this, haven't used it, super stoked to try it out. Next product we have is Coach Kimmy Magic Wheel Cleaner. I can tell just through the bubble wrap what this is. This is a wheel cleaner that I absolutely love. I have used, I do have a bottle. Now I've got 2 bottles. Amazing, awesome wheel cleaner. The next product we have is going to be another Stiarnaglass product. And I am super stoked to get these Stiarnaglass products because they are products I've been wanting to try. So we have Parla. This is a spray sealant from Stiarnaglass. Another product I do not have. Super stoked to try out. Really stoked for that product actually. Next product we have here is one that I have just recently reviewed. So if you're curious about this product, it is a product that I absolutely am in love with. But we have P&S Absolute. So this is a rinseless wash. I just reviewed this video, so if you're curious about it, head back into my channel, check out that review. Amazing rinseless wash product. So it looks like that's going to be all for chemicals. Up next, we have a package of these awesome, kind of a turquoise teal microfibers in here. I do believe, yep, these are an 8x8 Eagle Edgeless 450 teal blue, and this is a 10 pack. So you can see right on the back here, it will say what is in the package. So a 10 pack of these Eagle Edgeless, super stoked for. Up next, we have the big one. This is a 25 by 40 waffle weave drying towel. I do have some of these and absolutely love them. And then up next, we're gonna have to bust this open. We got some microfibers and some wash mitts. So let's open this up, see what we got in here. So always they throw in care instructions. The next thing that they have that I absolutely love is their limited edition Christmas sticker from the Rag Company. Very cool. They always throw in a nice little lens cleaner, sunglasses, whatever you want to use this for. I love using these for my camera lens to try to keep it as clear for you guys as possible. Then we have a Chanel wash mitt. So just a nice hand wash mitt. But it doesn't stop with one. We actually have 2 of these. So there is 2 of these wash mitts in there. Very awesome and cool. Then up next we have 2 pink microfibers. They have a nice silk edge around them. There is 2 of these. So 2 of those in the package as well. And then moving on to the next, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 glass towels. These are my absolute favorite towel for cleaning glass, and there is 6 of those in this package as well. And now, as you can see, we are at the end of what I ordered and also the Santa mystery sack from the Rag Company. Overall, these products, super stoked for. There are some that I've used, some that I've reviewed, things that I haven't used, along with some premium microfiber towels and wash mitts. So let me get this all set up, get a price on every single one to see if my $75 of the Santa's mystery sack adds up to $135+ worth of product. So let me get it all set up for you and we'll go over each one and the cost and the total that we have. All right, so going over everything that we got out of the Santa's mystery sack here. We got the P&S Absolute Rinseless Wash for $17.95. Stiarnaglass Glass Cleaner for $14. Stiarnaglass Parla Spray Sealant for $26. Coach Kimmy Magic Wheel Cleaner for $20.99. The Big One Drying Towel for $14. 6 glass and window towels for $12. 2 Chanel wash mitts for $12. 10 Eagle Edgeless 450s, which are the teal, and that is an Amazon exclusive item only, but those are going for $13.95. And then we also got the 2 premium FTW pink microfiber towels for $12.66, coming in for a grand total of $143.55. But if you want to add in me buying the Detail Factory's curveball brush, then getting the stocking stuffer sack for free, we can add all that in there too. So let's throw those products in and see a grand total price of everything that I received for what I spent. And right here we have the stocking stuffer pack included. So the Detail Factory curveball brush right back here, I added to my Santa's mystery sack to receive all the rest of this basically for free. So starting out with the stocking stuffer, we have the Pearl Puck applicator coming in at $3. The Diamond Weave, the 5-pack of the Diamond Weave glass towels coming in at $13. 4 Eagle Edgeless 500s coming in at $23. 2 car wash towels coming in at $6. And the Detail Factory tire scrub brush coming in at $14.95. So just for the stocking stuffer, that is a grand total of $59.95 of free products just by buying the Santa's Mystery Sack and the Detail Factory curveball brush. So for everything, a grand total with the Santa Mystery Sack and the stocking stuffer comes to $203.50. So I got double the value in products than what I paid for at that $203.50. So basically, I received over $100 worth of products from the Rag Company between the Santa's Mystery Sack and their stocking stuffer pack. So absolutely phenomenal deal. Huge score, huge bang for my buck right here. So as you can see, huge haul for my money. Absolutely impressed with the value that the Rag Company put into the stocking stuffer pack for having your order $100 or more, and then plus the value of their Santa's Mystery Sack. I am not disappointed one bit at all. Very stoked for these products. Yes, there is a few that I have and that I use, but I love them, so it's not a big deal getting more of it. Like the P&S Absolute or the Coach Kimmy Magic Wheel Cleaner. Both phenomenal products. Great to have a restock supply in my detailing arsenal. Plus the 2 Stiarna Gloss products that I don't have and have not used. Definitely looking forward to that. Don't have any of these Chanel wash mitts. Don't have any of these teal Amazon exclusive 450 Eagle Edgeless towels. Super excited for those. Love the packaging. Love everything that I've got. Not disappointed one bit at all. But hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing of the Santa's Mystery Sack from the Rag Company, along with the stocking stuffer pack that I included in here too to show the value that I got. So huge bang for my buck. If it is something that you got, throw it down in the comments down below. If you didn't get it, definitely keep an eye out at the Rag Company because they will be doing more mystery boxes, I'm sure, in the future. They're always a great deal. Personally, I love them. But as I mentioned, with a mystery box, you do have to realize that you're not picking out what you want, so it is a complete mystery. It's a complete gamble. Yes, you're going to get more value than you're paying for, but the stuff you're getting might not be exactly what you want. But I love mystery boxes, as a lot of you know. So hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing. I've enjoyed it. Super stoked for some of these products. I'm going to get to using some of them. Some of these I want to get some reviews out on, like that Parla spray sealant. Definitely curious about it. But I want to thank you all so much for stopping in and taking the time out of your day. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you like this unboxing. If you got any of the mystery stuff, drop down below that you got it. What did you get? How was your box? Also, what do you think of the value that I got from the Rag Company? I'm super stoked with it as well. But I will catch you all in the next one, and until then, take care.